Dedicated to keeping your vision healthy and clear, Casco Bay Eyecare has become Maine's largest optometric practice, a practice that prides itself on caring for you and your family. Dr. Goldstein, what does it mean to be a comprehensive optometric practice?
Well, it means that we offer a full range of services within each office. We offer full eye examinations, disease detection and treatment. We also offer optical shops in all 5 of our locations so that people can get glasses if they desire. And we offer a full range of contact lens services too in each office.
All right, and I understand that ongoing education, certifications is really important to your practice. Why is that so important? I mean, to the point where you go above and beyond what the state requires.
Well, we think it's important to have a fully educated staff. So all of our opticians are asked to be ABO, or American Board of Opticianry certified, which involves continuing education every year within their field. And the same with our assistants. They fall under the umbrella of the American Optometric Association certification program and are also required to do training every year.
All right, and the education doesn't stop there. You actually take great strides to educate your patients as well. Why is that important?
Well, a fully informed patient makes the best healthcare decisions.
Well, I came in for my biannual exam. Everyone here greeted me in a really friendly way, had my exam, came out, and my eyes had deteriorated a bit, so the optician was really helpful in finding me a pair of eyeglasses that I really like, and it all went really smoothly. So I just find coming here is just, you know, it's easy and it's professional.
Now, when we think about buying local, I see a great benefit in that the individual business knows the needs of its community. So how have you developed your practice to meet those needs?
Well, we have 5 locations throughout the greater Portland area, and each one of those locations offers evening hours, Saturday hours, so we're open 6 days a week. And we also offer a 24-hour on-call system so that if somebody did have an emergency, they could get a question answered at nighttime or on the weekends.
Okay, now working with so many doctors, I think that would be an advantage to your patients because you can collaborate.
That's correct. We have different doctors that have different areas of expertise or specialties within the practice, and we can sometimes refer somebody down the hall to a doctor that specializes in their particular problem.
All right, now I've heard you say "I care for life." What does that mean?
Well, it means that we take care of patients of all ages. We do have an infancy program to take care of infants, and we have doctors that love children and specialize in pediatric optometry, and then everybody takes care of young adults and adults, and we have doctors that really enjoy working with the elderly.
As people get older, of course, there's more risks of them having glaucoma, cataracts, diabetic eye disease, things of that nature. And so we can work with these patients with their symptoms, their vision, determining how those diseases may affect them. And by looking at those things, we can make appropriate recommendations for treatment. We can also refer them, if necessary, for further surgical intervention if that is necessary as well. Macular degeneration is a big one these days, and we can evaluate that condition, make sure that they're seeing well and that there's no complications with that. Diabetic eye disease, big thing these days. We're very trained to look at those eyes and make the appropriate recommendations for those folks so they can maintain their vision for many, many more years to come.
Well, thank you so much for having me in today. Casco Bay Eyecare. If you'd like more information, you can stop in at any of their 5 locations in the greater Portland area, or you can do a little research online at cascobayeye.com.